Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nakara Najmul Makari and I'm from MC101B, and today I want to talk about the timeline of the PlayStation video games. So, PlayStation is the most famous video games or the most famous console among the child and adult. Uh, if you see from the sales, PlayStation is the most uh, famous sales in the world between rather than Xbox and PC games. So, uh, today I want to talk about the timeline of the PlayStation from where it began and until the new one. So, for the first one is PlayStation 1. The first PlayStation home console has been released on December 3rd, 1994. It is a first of the series of console and handheld game devices. It has included successor consoles and upgrade, including the Net Yaroze, a special black PlayStation with tools and instructions to program PlayStation games and applications. PS1, or this a smaller of the original, and the Pocket 999 station and handheld, which enhance PlayStation games and also acts as a memory card. It was a part of the fifth generation of the video game consoles, competing against the Sega Saturn and Nintendo 64. By December 2003, a PlayStation and PS1 had shipped a combined total of 102.49 million units, eventually becoming the first game console to sell 120 million units After that, in July 7th, 2000, the PlayStation 1 have been released with the slim one and more affordable. So in the same year, which is 2000, PlayStation 2 has been released. It is the most successful console in the world, having sold over 155 million units as of December 28, 2012. On November 29th, 2005, the PS2 become the fastest game console to reach 100 million units shipped, accomplishing the feat within 5 years and 9 months from its launch. This achievement occurred faster than its predecessor. The PlayStation, which took 9 years and 6 months since launch to reach the same figure. PlayStation 2 shipments in Japan ended on December 28, 2012. The Guardian reported on January 4, 2013 that PS2 production has ended worldwide, but studies showed that many people all around the world still own one, even if it is no longer in use. PlayStation 2 has been ranked as uh, the best-selling console in the world all of time as of 2015. After 4 years, PlayStation 2 have been released. The Slim One version, which is had an overhaul internal design incorporating the power supply into the console itself like the original PlayStation 2, resulting in the further reduced total weight of the console. So, in November 11, 2006, Sony released PlayStation 3, which is more feature. And fun fact with the PlayStation 3, this console compete with Xbox 360 in the same year. The PS3 is the first console in the series to introduce the use of motion sensing technology through its 6-axis wireless controller. The PS3 was originally offered with either a 20 GB or 60 GB hard drive. but over the years its capacity increased in increments, available up to 500 gigabytes. The PlayStation 3 has sold over 80 million consoles worldwide as of November 2013. In 2012, Sony revealed a new super slim PlayStation 3. The new console with a completely redesigned case that has a sliding door covering the disk drive, which has been moved to the top of the console, is 4.3 pounds, almost 3 pounds lighter than previous slim model. The console comes with either 12GB flash memory or a 250GB 500GB hard drive. Several bundles which include a super slim PS3 and a selection of games are available. So for the last home console for my video is PlayStation 4. On February 20th, 2013, Sony announced PlayStation 4 at their press conference. Among the new applications and services, Sony introduced the PlayStation app, allowing PS4 owners to turn smartphones and tablets into a second screen to enhance gameplay. By incorporating a share button on the new controller and making it possible to view in-game content being streamed live from friends, Sony planned to move Sony planned to place more focus on social gameplay as well. The PlayStation 4 was first released in North America on November 15, 2013. In September 7, 2016, Sony released PlayStation 4 Pro with the improved hardware, including an upgraded GPU with 4.2 teraflops of processing power and higher CPU clock. It is designed primarily to enable selected games to be playable at 4K resolution and improve quality for PlayStation VR. So that's all from me. There's a little bit of timeline PlayStation timeline from me, and I don't want to share about you. I didn't want to share about PlayStation 5 because all of you have known about the PlayStation 5, and I hope you guys get to know more about PlayStation and all of the home console in the world, and see you next time. See ya.